Hi everybody, how you doing? It's Saturday. I was taking pictures of my eyes again because I wanted to get an update, a clear, see if there's anything that I can see clear. And I noticed, I'm not sure how well you can see this, but there's this there's something going on right here. But it caught my eye because it's interesting because there's something drawn out right there. Huh. Something happened with the lighting. Let's try that. Yeah, look at that. Now, yesterday I was looking. Now, see, when I close my mouth, it's like this part right here is connected to this design. I think there's something right there. But what else is happening? That's my right side. I was showing you on my. It was actually right here. But you can't see it. Well, at least I can't see it from this perspective. So I'm curious what's being drawn out right there. Hmm. Kind of hurts. I gotta move my dentures over. That's the face. Ooh, look at that. Let's see what it looks like when I upload it. Let's see if I can do it.